Activity 2.2. Okay. Take some finely chopped onions in a plastic bag along with some strips of clean cloth. Tie up the bag tightly and leave overnight in the fridge. The cloth strips can now be used to test for acids and bases. Take two of these cloth strips and check their order. Keep on a clean surface and put a few drops of dilute HCl solution on one strip and few drops of dilute NaOH solution on the other. Rinse both the cloth strips with water and again check their order. Note your observations. So what you have to do is, some finely chopped onions are taken, okay, and they are put in a plastic bag along with some strips of cloths. Okay, so clean clothes के कुछ strips और onion के pieces, ये सबको एक साथ टाई करके एक प्लास्टिक बैग में रख के they are kept in refrigerator overnight. Okay, now this pieces of cloth, this pieces of onions are removed and only this cloth strips are taken. Okay, this cloth strips are used as olfactory indicators. Okay, so two cloth strips are taken. On one, dilute HCl is poured and few drops, and on other, dilute NaOH is poured. Dilute HCl is acid and dilute NaOH, this is base. Okay, now they are asking that what will be your observation. So actually what happens with base, the characteristic onion, smell of onion will completely destroyed. बेस के साथ क्या होगा, बेस मतलब डाइल्यूट HCl के साथ जो अनियंस की स्मेल है वो completely destroy हो जाएगी, and with acid it will remain as it is. Okay, so the observation is onions will have characteristic smell in acidic medium. Okay. Which is but it is completely destroyed in basic medium. Okay, now this is the observation which we have written. And now take some dilute vanilla essence and clove oil. So dilute vanilla essence and clove oil, they are also taken. On that also the same thing is taken, the same thing is done. Vanilla essence में few drops of HCl और few drops of NaOH डालेंगे, both are dilute. Okay, then when it is shaken, it is observed that with NaOH the smell of vanilla essence will be completely destroyed, but with dilute HCl the smell of vanilla essence will be there. Okay, similarly with clove oil also the same thing will be done, and we'll check the order. So with clove oil it will have different smell in both the medium, in acidic and basic medium it will have different smell. So these three indicators, olfactory indicators are given here: vanilla essence, onion and clove oil. Okay, they are examples of olfactory indicators. Now how to, next activity 2.3, how do acids and bases react with metal. Okay, so set the apparatus as shown in the figure. Take about 5 ml of dilute sulfuric acid in a test tube and add few pieces of zinc granules. So basically zinc, which is a metal, zinc granules, it is taken with hydrochloric acid, sorry, sulfuric acid. Okay, and what do you observe on the surface of zinc granules? So actually when acid is poured on its surface, some bubbles will be seen. Okay, pass the gas being evolved through a soap solution. So basically here dilute sulfuric acid and zinc granules, they are made to react, and after reaction basically zinc, which is a metal, so metal plus acid, it will give metal salt plus hydrogen. Okay, so here metal is zinc, acid is sulfuric acid, so it will be ZnSO4 plus H2. So this is the metal salt and this is hydrogen gas. Now when it is made, this gas is made to pass through this, and through soap solution some bubbles will be seen. Okay, take a burning candle near a gas filled bubble. What do you observe? So actually when a burning candle is brought near, the hydrogen gas burns with pop sound. Okay, this is the characteristic feature of hydrogen gas. Okay, it burns with pop sound. Okay, repeat this activity with some more acids, HCl, HNO3 and CS3COOH. So actually all are the observations in all the cases same or different? In all the cases, observation will be this only: metal plus acid will give metal salt plus hydrogen. Okay. So activity 2.4, take a few pieces of granulated zinc metal in a test tube, add 2 ml of sodium hydroxide, warm the contents of the test tube, repeat the rest of the steps in activity 2.3 and record your observations. So in previous activity, what we were doing, reaction of metal with acid, here reaction of metal with base. Okay, so when base reacts with metal, it will give metal salt plus hydrogen. Okay, so base plus metal, it will give metal salt plus hydrogen. Okay, but this reaction will not occur with all the metals, all the bases. Okay, so you find again that hydrogen is formed in the reaction. However, such reaction is not possible with all the metals. So it will not occur with all the metals. Only like highly reactive metals will show this reaction. Okay, so this reaction is also important. You have to learn this reaction. This is an example of base with metal, and sodium zincate is formed and hydrogen gas is released.